Hi everyone, so welcome to the another session of this GitHub tutorial series. So today we are going to learn how to clone a project. So first of all, you have to choose one project which you want to clone. So I just click on this GitHub tutorial repository. Okay, after this repository is open, we have to click on this Eclipse and we can see that there are no repository at all. So you can see this Git repository tab. You just have to click on this button, clone a git repository. Just click on this. So now this is the layout where we have to pass some parameters, username and passwords, and URL of the repository, and later on we can clone the repository. So to get the URL, you have to click on this green button, click on this HTTPS. So this URL you have to copy. So I have just copied the URL. I just need to paste this URL here and everything is already set because I have already configured personal access token. So if you have not configured personal access tokens, so I request everyone to go to the previous videos and see how we can configure this PAT. So after that you just have to click on next. So as you can see, I can get these two branch, main and master. So click on this repository once again and you can see there are only two branch. That's why we are getting two branch uh, in this tab. After that you have to click on next. Now this is the directory where you want to save this repository. So as of now I just want to save in the same directory, but if you want to change it, so you can browse and choose a location where you want to save. Now this is the initial branch, so I just want to check out my master branch first. That's why I choose the initial branch as master, and after that you need to click on finish. So you can see that repository is cloned. Now you have to import this project in the Eclipse. So for that you have to right click on this repository, click on import projects, and that's it. You get the code. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to get more updates on this GitHub tutorial series.